Morning, children. We are going to start chapter 1 in SST, Discovery the Past. The objectives of the chapter are to know what is prehistory, to know what is history, to know why is studying history important, to know how do we study our past, to know about various sources of history. First of all, prehistory. Prehistory is the period for which there are no written records. It is the period of time between the appearance of the earliest humans and the development of the art of writing. Prehistoric people did not know how to read and write. They could not record their observations in writing. They lived in the caves. Their bones, tools, and pottery have been found buried in the ground. All these objects have much to say about the life of prehistoric people. What is history? History is a systematic record of the past events. It is story of the people who lived in long past. Why is studying history important? Our past help us to know how early men gradually grappled means manage with all difficulties. There are numerous things that have been learned and invented all through the ages and taught us how can we overcome all the difficulties. We should study history because of the following reasons. Number 1, history helps understand people and societies. Number 2, history helps us to know the changes in lifestyle of human beings. Number 3, skills that a student of history develops. Next question, how do we study our past? The birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity, is the date from where we count years. For example, 2015 means 2015 years after the birth of Christ. All the dates before the birth of Christ are counted backwards and usually have the letters BC, that is before Christ, added on. Now it is need as BCE, that is before Common Era, and CE, that is Common Era. The next point is sources of history. A source is any leftover of the past that tells about the history. It may be a document, a picture, a monument, a piece of art, a sound recording, a book, or things used for a short period, such as a train ticket or a pair of shoes. The different sources of history can be divided into two categories. Number 1, the literary sources. Number 2, the archaeological sources. Literary sources contain the written records of the past, for example, sacred and secular texts, indigenous literary sources, and foreign literary sources. Archaeological sources. Archaeology is the scientific study of the materials, remains of the past that are discovered through digging or excavation conducted at various historical places. Archaeological sources can be divided into different categories such as inscriptions, coins, monuments, other objects, and artifacts. Thank you, children.